This amazing house in Kansas is built exclusively using shipping containers. The design comprises of two 40-foot shipping containers placed side by side to create an amazing 640 plus square feet of habitable space. The containers are arranged side by side and given an additional lean-to roof to create an amazing shipping container edifice. The house is accessed via glass doors and the interior is as amazing as the exterior. On the inside, the house has all the luxuries of a modern container home. That is a view of the living space showing a closer attention of the lounge area with a couch, a beautiful floor mat, and next to two sizable corner windows. The house has got a wooden beam covering the seam line of the two containers where they join to create an open plan living space that was realized by removing the mid walls to create an open living space. That is a view of the living space with a closer view of the granite countertops and a counter space that can sit for ideal for a breakfast area and also a dining space. There's a closer view of the breakfast counter for four, the kitchen in the background, and the lounge area in the foreground. A closer view of the kitchen showing the butcher block countertops, the overhead storage cabinets, the under the counter storage, and essential kitchen appliances. The kitchen has an exit door with dual full height glazing doors that access directly to the outdoors. The interior of the house has got exposed corrugated container ceilings to celebrate the industrial charm of building with shipping containers. There's a view of the living space showing the kitchen counter, the lounge area, and also the breakfast sitting area. This is a view of one of the bedrooms. It is fitted within the width of a single shipping container, and it is given a big glass window to kill that claustrophobic feel of living in a container box, and the space has got a wall-mounted mini-split system for indoor thermal comfort. The dividing walls have the corrugated container walls left exposed since the external walls are well insulated. This is a view of the bedroom, still showing the overall arrangement of the bedroom space, the corrugated container ceilings, and the corrugated container walls. That's a view of the closet space, a view of another bedroom, wall-mounted mini-split system, a big glass window, and all the bedroom essentials to ensure there is comfort. This is a view of the closet space. This is a view of the bathroom, the toilet, the wash and basin, a wall-mounted bathroom mirror, and we have this bathroom tub with a curtain shower rod. This is a view of the backyard. This is a view of the laundry area with a stacked washer and dryer. A view of the stacked washer and dryer. This is additional closet space in the hallway, and that is what you get with this amazing shipping container house. This house is also listed as a guest house on Airbnb Feel free to check it out using the link in the description below. So far, if you like what you've seen, kindly give this video a thumbs up so that the YouTube algorithm can recommend it to other viewers just like you. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.